Hello students, today we're going to be dividing fractions. So in class today we divided fractions and we learned that when we divide fractions it is exactly the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So we're going to divide 9 3/8 by 1 1/4. Now to divide 9 3/8 by 1 1/4, the first step that we have to do is change those mixed numbers to improper fractions. The way we do that is we use the Texas two-step. So we will write the abbreviation for Texas in between the whole number and the fraction. And then we start by multiplying 8 times 9, which is 72. And then we add 3, which is 75. So 9 3/8 is actually 75 eighths. And we're still going to keep that division symbol there. And we'll do the same thing for 1 1/4. Start at the 4, multiply times 1, which is 4, then add 1, which is 5. So now 1 1/4 is actually 5/4. Now, to multiply by the reciprocal, we're going to use the strategy KCF. We're going to keep the first fraction, which is 75 eighths. We're going to change it to multiplication, and then we're going to flip the second fraction. We're going to find its reciprocal, which is 4/5. So now we can multiply 75 eighths times 4/5. Now before I multiply, I will want to see if I can cross simplify. So I'm first going to look at the 4 and the 8. And I can see that 4 and 8 are both divisible by 4. So we're going to take 4 divided by 4, that is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. And I'm going to look again at the numbers that are across. I see 75 and 5. I see that they both end with 5, so I know that they are multiples of 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 75 divided by 5 is 15. Now that I have cross-simplified, I can now multiply the top times the top and the bottom times the bottom. 15 times 1 is 15. 2 times 1 is 2. It is an improper fraction, so with all improper fractions, I need to change them to a mixed number. To do that, I would divide 15 divided by 2. 2 goes into 15 7 times. 7 times 2 is 14, and I have a remainder of 1. Therefore, that is 7 1/2. So 15 halves is equal to 7 1/2. And that is how we divide fractions. Thanks again. Have a great night.